What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. All right, next up is Tesla, or TSLA. You guys, I have my lines and graphs already set. If you had watched my previous update on Tesla, I told you that we would be pulling back onto this minor support and just to wait for this better entry. And as you can see, you guys, we were dead onto this minor support. I even told you guys to give you some wiggle room just in case if we had a candlestick wick break below that and you don't get tagged out. So ultimately that price prediction was dead on, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in and let me explain to you how I found these lines. So we're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval, so we can see the overall direction and a picture that our stock is in to get the best analysis that we can. This top line represents our major resistance line, and if we look left, when we first came up, we hit this area, pulled back, consolidated, gapped up back into this major resistance, pulled back, and we ultimately did this about 4 times until we completely failed and pulled back into this major support area. And we can test this area too. We can see we came down and bounced off of this level. We look left, we have these two candlesticks bouncing or reacting in this level, and we can go farther back in time and back test even more if needed be. We don't really have to, because we have tested these areas more than 3 times in the highest and lowest area. But I'm just showing you guys as an example. As you can see, these candlesticks all bouncing or reacting in this area, and on the opposite side where it works as resistance, we see all these candlesticks getting pushed back in this area as well. So if you look where we're currently at, it's pre-market, we're at 716. We're down about 0.38%, you guys. So we're down about $2 from yesterday's closing. But if you look where we closed at, you guys, we closed right dead onto our minor support. So it is possible that we could pull back a little bit more into this $7.10 or $7.11 area, but either way, this would still be a good opportunity to get in. Like I said, have your stop loss below this this candlestick wick right here, that being the 689 or 690, and then your first target would be back up here at the $770 area, and then your second target being ultimately all the way back up here at our previous highest point at the 880, you guys. So these levels work really well as long as you can read these charts, you guys. That's why I'm here, just to kind of give you an example on exactly what you're looking at. Right now the market will be open in about an hour and a half, so I'll have plenty of time to push this out so you guys can watch it and have an advantage over the market. So let me just go ahead and look at the pre-market volume. We're at 71K. So usually you want to trade anything that's above 150,000 volume. Usually, just because if anything below that, it's going to be such a slow moving stock, you might end up being in it for a longer term. But other than that, let me break down to a little bit smaller of a time frame to see exactly where we're at. So right now we're on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, I don't see any problem with getting in right now, as long as you guys set your stop loss below this candlestick wick. So if it does drop below this level, you'll be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry, and that being back down here at the $599 or $600 level. Do I think that will break below this level and go down to this? More than likely not, because we're starting this new trend. We're creating higher lows, you guys, so that's a beautiful uptrend that we're seeing. We're right on minor support, and other than that, like I said, it looks really good to me. The only thing is, you guys, be careful on the 26th. As you can see, we have a earnings report coming up. So usually when we have an earnings report, things tend to get a little bit more volatile. So that could be in your favor, or it could not be in your favor. It all depends on the company's fundamentals. So usually we don't trade fundamentals, but on those specific days, they do matter. So I hope this helped you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys stay updated on my videos every single morning. If you guys like the stocks that I break down, please hit that like and subscribe button. And ultimately, if you want me to break down some of the stocks that you're looking into, put them in the comment box below and I'll give them a look, and more than likely create a video for you on the following morning. So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.